Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can change the owner of your YouTube channel and transfer ownership rights to another person. So, for this, we need to go to YouTube Studio. This tab with this icon, YouTube Studio. Open it. Here we need to go to the Settings tab, and in the Settings, to the Permissions tab. Here we click Manage Permissions. Click Manage Account. Then click Continue. You need to scan this QR code. I've confirmed access, and now it's loading. We are redirected to the brand page again. Here we click Manage Permissions again. Remove the old owner. Click the X, then click Remove. Delete, confirm removal. Click the plus sign again. Paste the account, email you want to add here. Select it and choose the role you want to assign owner. Then click Invite. Invite users. Invite sent. Accept by email to own the channel. Temporary access. They'll get primary ownership in 7 days. You'll need to come back to this window and select primary owner here, then remove the previous owner. After that, this specific owner will become the primary owner of this YouTube channel. That's all. Click Done, go back, and return to our YouTube channel. Another gets 7 days. Then owner. Done. Like, subscribe, watch more.